Today, while I talked with one of my associates in our group of men and defenders, I pointed out something that he also noticed. The people of Ghana are extremely well behaved. They are civilized. Since the past few days, I have been engaging with them over the issue of our brother who made a mistake in their country. It was a mistake for an Igbo person to go to Ghana and say that he was a king. We do not condone evil. We do not say that mistakes are good things. Our traditional medana does not support having of kings. Any Igbo that tells you he's a king does not know his history and does not understand our culture. But our brother went to Ghana, and I repeat, he made the mistake of saying he was a king. And the people of Ghana, we are not happy, and they expressed their unhappiness with distinction, with civilization. They did not start burning down Igbo properties. They did not start being jealous as a lot of people are. They did not start to complain that Igbos have bought all the lands in Ghana and so on and so forth. They concentrated on the kingship. And I want to use this opportunity to tell them that they have made me proud. They have made me to see that there are people who are still civilized in this world where people behave like thugs and think that that is cool. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. If this had happened in some climes, people would have started looking for innocent people to attack. But only very few comments went beyond this man who made this mistake and extended to the Igbo people who are innocent. This shows good culture, this shows breeding. And the people of Ghana, in my language, we would say Jidenoku Unuji. Continue to behave as you behave. I am sure, I believe that from the very wide appeal of this, my talks, my presentations about this issue, that the position of the Igbo people would reach Mr. Ihenetu, and that he would make necessary amends. As I appeal to you, people of Ghana, treat him with kindness. We believe he does. He did not know what he did. From what I heard, he's a long-time resident of your country. He loves your country and you love him. That's why you received him. And he loves your country. That's why he settled down there. So continue to live in peace. That's our sincere appeal. Going forward, we have told him what to do. If he's serving the Igbo community very well in Ghana, and they decide to hold an election and make him the chairman of the Igbo community, even if it is for life, that is less sensitive. That is not an affront to the people of Ghana. I also read some posts that said he bought land and wanted to build an Igbo town. If this goes against the aspirations of the people of Ghana, that idea should be discarded. I, for one, would not like to see such done in my own reign. And what you will do unto others, or what you would not do unto others, or what you will do unto others, what if it will be done to you and you will be unhappy, don't do it to others. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we say in the Igbo language, Akana, the guy has become one of you. He lives in your country. You've treated him with kindness. He's also treated you with kindness. Move forward together in progress. All the best.